Welcome to today's video. I will introduce you to an incredible integration that will revolutionize your Outlook experience. Imagine having a personal assistant right within your email application ready to help you with various tasks. In this video, I will show you how to integrate ChatGPT into Microsoft Outlook and provide you with the real life examples of how it can enhance your productivity. Let's get started.
Let me show you some real life examples how ChatGPT in Outlook can help you. So I will open ChatGPT user form and then I will give my prompt. Could you help me draft an email requesting a project update? So when we click on Ask ChatGPT button, it will formulate a perfect email draft to ask a project update. And we all know that drafting professional and effective emails can be time consuming. But with ChatGPT, you can get a head start. Simple ask for assistance in drafting an email and ChatGPT will provide you with a well-crafted template that you can customize. It's like having a writing expert by your side. Let us see one more example. If you click on Reset Chat, it will reset the response text box and you can give another inquiry. So let's click on Ask ChatGPT button and it will provide me the latest digital marketing trends which can give me the current insights. So staying up to date with the latest industry trends is a crucial for professionals. ChatGPT can be your research companion, offering valuable insights and keeping you informed about the latest developments in your field of interest. Say goodbye to countless hours of searching and sifting through information. Let ChatGPT do the work for you. Let me show you one more example. So I will click on Reset Chat button to clear my text box and I will write one more question. Translate the phrase "Hello, how are you" to French. And if I click on Ask ChatGPT button, it will translate it for me. Isn't that amazing? With just a few clicks, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to assist you with language translation. No need to switch to another application or search for online translation tools. It's all right here within your Outlook user form. How you can integrate this solution in your Microsoft Outlook. So you need to press first of all Alt F11. So I will press Alt F11 on my keyboard and this Explorer window will be opened. Then you need to go on File and you need to click on Import. I will give this whole project in the description of this video. You just need to select all three or one by one. So let's start from user form. So first you need to import this user form. Then again click on Import File and import JSON converter. Then again import file and click on module 2. And after that, if I click on open, my user form is integrated. So just let me give you one more tip. So you need to go on tool, click on reference and don't forget to tick Microsoft scripting runtime because without Microsoft scripting this solution will not work on your PC or on your laptop. So one last thing, if I close this Explorer window, so I have integrated this ChatGPT button in my toolbar. How you can do this? You need to go on File, click on Options, and then select Customize ribbon, and then here you need to select macros, and from here you can add new tab and new group, or so I will delete one group, and then if I click on my user form, I can add it here and I can rename it afterwards. So I will delete these tabs now because I have already created a button for me. So you can find this whole solution in the description of this video. Now that you have seen the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT integrated into Outlook, let's talk about how you can get started with this project. You can find the complete code and instructions in the video description below. Simply follow the step-by-step guide, and in no time you will have ChatGPT right at your fingertips within Outlook. And that concludes my video on integrating ChatGPT into Microsoft Outlook. I have shown you real-life examples of how this integration can enhance your productivity and streamline your communication. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your Outlook experience. Remember, you can find the complete project details, including the code and instructions, in the video description below. So please give it a try and unlock a whole new level of efficiency and convenience in your daily email interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download the project from the video description to integrate ChatGPT into your own Outlook application. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay productive, and until next time.